Today I'm going to show you how to make my perfect vanilla cupcakes. This is a soft vanilla cupcake with the best vanilla buttercream on top. These are my favorite cupcakes. I am totally team vanilla and I know you're going to be too. You're not going to want to miss it. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. This is my favorite cupcake recipe. It's my go-to vanilla cupcake. I've been making it for years. It's soft and moist, but it's sturdy enough to hold up to that rich, thick buttercream frosting. These cupcakes are so awesome. If you are looking for a perfect cupcake recipe, this is the one to try. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. First, whisk 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I find that using softened butter on cupcakes can sometimes make them a little bit dry, and sometimes if you use vegetable oil in cupcakes, they're a little bit bland. So in order to kind of bridge that gap, I'm using melted butter. To 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter, I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar, and then I'm going to mix that until it's smooth and add in 3 large eggs, one at a time. Then mix in 1 teaspoon of vanilla or 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste, whichever you have. If you have vanilla bean paste, I absolutely love using it because it gives a nice vanilla flavor to the recipe. Now, this recipe does use buttermilk, and I always forget to buy it. I know it's not one of those regularly stocked ingredients that you have in your kitchen, so you can totally make your own buttermilk by adding 1 teaspoon of vinegar or lemon juice to a measuring cup, filling it up to 3/4 with your milk of choice. That will make your buttermilk, so you don't have to worry about buying it if you don't have it. Then continue adding the dry ingredients and the buttermilk alternately. Now the best thing about this cupcake recipe is it's super versatile. If you're dairy-free or gluten-free, you can adapt these cupcakes to fit your needs. If you're dairy-free, you can make the cupcakes with non-dairy milk and vegetable oil, and then you just need to make the frosting with a vegan butter stick or some sort of dairy-free frosting. And if you're gluten-free, you can make these with all-purpose 1-to-1 gluten-free flour. I like using the Bob's Red Mill. It's like that teal bag. It works perfectly, so they stay nice and soft and moist. Now I'm gonna bake these cupcakes at 350 degrees until a toothpick comes out clean. And then I'm gonna decide, am I gonna fill the cupcakes or not? Now, sometimes I fill them with whipped cream, but today I'm just gonna make them plain and top them with my favorite vanilla buttercream frosting. This frosting is fluffy and it's sweet. It is my favorite frosting ever. It's got 2 sticks of butter, 4 cups of powdered sugar. I'm gonna add some vanilla and salt, and then my secret is heavy whipping cream that makes it nice and fluffy. And once you have your buttercream made, you can frost your cupcakes. I like to use a 1M or open star tip or large star tip to make the nice tall frosting on my cupcakes, but you could just use a knife to frost them or use any tip that you want, and don't forget the sprinkles at the end. These cupcakes are soft and fluffy and moist. They're my favorite cupcake. They're super versatile. I love to fill them. I love to use chocolate frosting on them instead. I love vanilla cupcakes. I'm totally team vanilla, but vanilla is not boring, not in this cupcake recipe. I know you're gonna love them as much as I do. Keep watching for more delicious dessert recipes.